Most people don't know where their money goes. And you might wonder how that's possible. They don't have a paycheck routine. They're constantly chasing their financial goals only to find at the end of the month they've spent everything. Sounds familiar? This means you're playing defense with your money, and I want you to play offense instead. How do you do that? By creating a paycheck routine. We all know income minus expenses equals savings. Let's flip that. Income minus savings equals expenses. This is your first step towards controlling your take-home pay. By doing this, you prioritize where your money goes. Most importantly, you can have money left over to spend guilt-free at the end of the month. But remember, this requires financial discipline. Suppose you're saving 1 lakh for an international trip by setting aside 5,000 every month. You know in 20 months you'll achieve your goal. However, if you spend that 5,000 impulsively, you're now a month behind your target. Financial discipline is crucial. A paycheck routine helps you allocate your money wisely, and I've created an intelligent spending plan for myself that lets me save, invest, and spend guilt-free. Want me to share it? Comment hell yeah below, and if enough of you are interested, I'll make a video on the intelligent spending plan. Let's take control of our finances together. And if you find value in this video, do like, share, and be sure to follow so you can stay in touch with my Friday finance videos. Also, do check out the highlights on my profile. I usually talk about dance, wellness, and finance. It's time for Saturday Salsa tomorrow. Peace.